Angie's Table. Today I'm in a very fall mood. There's just something in the air that is screaming fall, and of course, pumpkin spice is back out everywhere, like at Trader Joe's, Starbucks. So I am really in that mood today. Every time a new season starts, I kind of like to just clean my house and do somewhat of a deeper clean to prepare myself for the season. It is very early in the morning, but I woke up early because I wanted to make some time to go to Target and Crate and Barrel to see what new items that they have for the new season and go get brunch with some of our friends. We're really gonna get into the fall mood. Grace, I know, just started cleaning out her storage closet yesterday to get some of her fall stuff out to decorate and make a TikTok on. But yeah, today's gonna be a very fall mood kind of video. So let's go and start cleaning.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palm. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted. You've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head. I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come up faster. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored? So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion, even though I offer all of the solutions. I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless. I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palm. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my...
Today, let's make butter chicken at home using Cook's Venture Chicken. Cook's Venture Chicken is 100% pasture raised and non-GMO, and they deliver your chicken right to your door by air chilling to ensure superior quality. This process basically locks in all the rich qualities and the juices that are in the chicken. The chicken was the highlight to this butter chicken recipe. Don't worry, I put the ingredients and the directions down below under the details section. With all the warm spices and the heaviness from the cream, this dish will help cozy up your fall and winter seasons. I made some basmati rice on the side with Trader Joe's garlic naan. A big shout out to Cook's Venture for sponsoring this video. Thank you.
Let's eat. Add your toppings, mister. How is it?
It's good. A little spice to it.
Better. I don't know what I added.
It's like peppery spice.
Ha ha ha!